How to recover Genshin Impact password. So if you want to recover your Genshin Impact password, then you have to first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now you have to search for Genshin Impact login. And after searching for that, here you will have account login option. You can simply click on account login. Now it will directly take you to the login page. So you can either use your Google account or Apple or Facebook or Twitter, or you can also use your email address. So you have to simply enter your email address. And now if you want to recover your password, and like if you forgot your password, then you have to click on forgot password, and then you have to enter your username or your email address. And after entering your email address, you have to click on next, and then you have to verify. And now you will receive a verification code to your email address which you have just entered. So what you have to do is you have to open up your Gmail account and you have to enter this code. And after entering the code, click on next. And from here you can set your new password. So on the first blank you have to create a new password, and then on the next blank you have to re-enter your password, like you have to confirm your password, and then you have to click on confirm. And that's it. That's the way to recover your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.